Just because humans do not know and cannot imagine animals' abilities and always judge them by human standards does not mean animals are of lower intelligence. Intelligence is a relative notion. There are many vague definitions of it that can be summarized as intelligence is what we measure. With intelligence tests, I define intelligence as the understanding of the world and the ability to think about it and act on it. It is how shall I put it? Not very clever to measure animals' IQ with IQ tests designed for humans. If humans measure their human abilities by the animals' IQ tests, where will they find themselves? On the borderline. In the region of mild or severe mental retardation. If you want to experience unfairness of IQ tests for yourself and get the idea what it is like to be doomed as an idiot, I mean it as a diagnosis, not as an insult. Try to do the following animals IQ test. The NHS IQ test. 1. Can you identify the position of a distant object, e.g., 2 to 3 miles away from you, in relation to the direction of the sun, and communicate its location, distance and desirability to your friend via a waggle dance? Yes. 5. No. 0. 2. Can you see ultraviolet? Yes. 5. No. 0. 3. In a dark unfamiliar room, can you identify the objects under the table? Yes. 5. No. 0. 4. Using seismic communication making the ground rumble by stomping on it, can you send a message to your friend who lives 20 miles away from you? Yes. 5. No. 0. 5. Can you memorize a 9,000-mile route across unmarked open terrain after traveling just once? Yes. 5. No. 0. 6. Take 500 nuts and bury them one by one in 500 holes in a park. How many nuts can you recover after 2 months using the method of triangulation, relying on the relative position of trees and buildings and the angles and distances between these distant landmarks? Yes. 5. No. 0. 7. Can you predict a seizure in a person 30 minutes before it happens? Yes. 5. No. 0. Line of underscores. Now add your points together and check the NHS IQ. 0 to 10. Severe mental retardation. 11 to 20. Average abilities. 31 to 35. Higher than average. Happy with the results. Every creature, both human and non-human, has senses/cognition/intelligence for their particular world. They have developed very specific abilities necessary for their needs in their environment. That's why the results of laboratory experiments should be interpreted with caution. They are not necessarily valid because animals, in their natural habitat, behave differently from those in artificial environments. Each animal is intelligent for its own habitat. Cats are good at cat things, and dogs are doggy in their behavior. They are all intelligent in their own ways. Can humans boast that they behave humanly all the time? Are they smarter than animals while making decisions? The level of development cannot be described in terms of low/high or superior/inferior, as it is tuned to the necessities of each particular species. Place a human animal into the natural environment of an elephant, for example, and then compare their IQs. Who will look like an idiot?